This graph shows how the use of different data sources impacts on comparisons of traditional research metrics. In this case, the number of citations between the 5 main disciplines: humanities, social sciences, engineering, sciences, and life sciences. As you can see, the Web of Science, which is the blue column, provides the lowest number of citations in each discipline, with Scopus, the orange column, providing a slightly higher count for all disciplines. Google Scholar, as the most comprehensive data source, provides the highest number of citations for each of the 5 disciplines. However, the difference between the disciplines is much lower for Google Scholar than it is for the 2 other data sources, with the humanities and the social sciences in particular benefiting from Google Scholar's much broader coverage, including a larger number of journals in their field, as well as books, book chapters, and other types of publications. Whereas for the Web of Science, in the life sciences there are more than 50 times as high as humanities and 5 times as high as for the social sciences. But this difference is reduced to only 5 times instead of 50 times as much for the humanities and less than twice as much for the social sciences. Another way of looking at this is the difference between the Web of Science and Google Scholar citations. For the life sciences and sciences, Google Scholar provides 1.5 times as many citations as the Web of Science. For engineering, it's more than twice as much. For the social sciences, this is 4.5 times as much. And for humanities, it's a staggering 14 times as much. Clearly, Google Scholar provides a much more level playing field for the humanities and the social sciences in particular, and doesn't disadvantage the other disciplines either.